KRUGER MATZ Live 7S, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation that device by using the KRUGER MATZ settings. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen, then let's find and select the settings. So here I have the icon of settings. Afterwards you need to scroll down and choose system. From the system options, let's choose reset options and select here erase all data factory reset. So this will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. So if you are aware of the following information, let's tap reset phone. And in order to perform the hard reset, you need to tap erase everything. Right now the device is performing the hard reset, so let's just be patient and wait until the whole process will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it simply means that the hard reset is done. Now you might start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.